You don't have to pay for any pro plugins to showcase your products on your WordPress website. In this video, I will show you how to design a beautiful and modern WooCommerce products slider with smooth animations for free. However, it's recommended to watch the entire video to make your slider modern and eye-catching. First of all, go to your plugins and add and activate the plugin called Prime Slider. Search for the mentioned plugin, then install, and after installation, activate the plugin as I have done before. After that, head to the Prime Slider settings, then click on Third-Party Widgets, and ensure that all the free widgets are active. Next, add a new page and click on Edit with Elementor. If you don't have Elementor, you can install the free version from the Plugins page. After that, search for the Prime Slider section in the Items area. But before you add it to the page, first add some products. Go to the WordPress dashboard, click on Products, then add a new product. I will add some products for the purpose of this video. For the product image, I recommend that you add high-quality PNG images as I do. I will add 3 products. After that, if you want to show only those products in the slider, head to the All Products tab, then click on Quick Edit on all 3 new products and check the Featured box, then click on Update. Next, go to the Elementor page that you have added and add the slider that you want for WooCommerce. There are 3 free widgets available, as you can see. For the purpose of this video, I will use WooCircle. As you can see, it's a very clean, beautiful, and modern design with smooth animations. On the left side, you can change all the settings and you have a variety of options. The good thing is that these sliders are highly customizable, as you can see. You can change the title font, color, add stroke and shadow, and change the size of everything, including the price. Now, I will set the price for this product for you to see better results. You can set the price in the Products tab. As you can see, you can also change the font, color, and size of the price too. The best part of these plugins is when you press the plus button, the product will smoothly pop up with its description, price, and in the live website, the Add to Cart button will show up. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.